Alright, in this video we're going to do the extensors of the forearm, and there are actually 5 that we're going to study, but when we do the initial dissection there's only going to be 4, and then there's a special trick, so I'll show you that. So I'm starting thumb side, so the face is right there. So start on the high side of the arm, and we're just going to kind of take our finger and kind of rotate. You'll catch the edge of that muscle. Now the first one, that separation is right there. Not that white line, the next one. And you can see this will separate pretty easy. So I'll get my probe all the way through, and then I'm going to do a pretty good firm push up and then a pull down. That one's done for now. The next one, just grab the muscle, look for the line, it's pretty easy. Put it in, up, down. Second one, done. Third one, pick it up, look for the line, get your probe through, up, down. Now on this one, there's probably a little residual dissection. We'll just let that hang up right there. Alright, that's good enough. That's number 3. And then there's one more tube. I'll just kind of roll this in my hand like that. And you can see the bottom edge is right on the ulna there. Get that through. Push up, push down. Alright, so right now it looks like there's 4. You can see them, but this first one is actually 2. So what you want to do, take the first one and then roll it in your finger. And I'm going to show that to the camera. And you're going to see a very, very sharp white line. There's muscle here, white line, muscle. Because longus is sitting on top of brevis. So what I'm going to do is take the edge of my probe, right on that white line, and just keep going back and forth. And the thing is like magic. It's going to pop open nice and clean. Now on this one we can't run it because we'll tear it. So now I'm going to do a push and pull technique. I might have to separate a little bit of connective tissue first to get it. There we go. She started now. So I'm just going to gently pull these 2 apart, and then I'll keep flicking the other side with the round side of the probe. You see the push and pull? Push and pull. Support and pull. It's fine. It won't tear. Okay, and then the other side's kind of sticking on me a little bit, so I'll just run it with the sharp side of my probe. If that doesn't work, you guys know you can always use your scissors and get that going again. Okay, back to the push and pull. That connective tissue is pretty tough on this cat. It's giving me a challenge here. Alright, so now we have them separated. This is longus, brevis. They have bigger names. You guys can take a look at those later. Here are the 5 muscles, extensors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can look at all those names on my arm dissection review as we prepare for the big cat test. So that should not take you long.